Hi, I'm Karen. I'm going to do a few sounds for you. I'm going to do 3 characters from The Wizard of Oz. I'll start off with Glinda, the Good Witch. Click your heels 3 times and say, "There's no place like home." I'm going to do the Wicked Witch. "I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog too." My next character is the Munchkins. "We represent the Lullaby League, the Lullaby League, the Lullaby League. In the name of the Lullaby League, we wish to welcome you to Munchkin Land." I'm going to do a baby crying. The next one will be the turkey. I'll do let's see, a very angry cat. And then last but not least, the alternator belt.